Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In today's video, I will show you how to check DNS leak in Windows 11 or Windows 10. A DNS leak can expose the websites you visit to your internet service provider, even if you are using a VPN or custom DNS server. Because of this, it is important to check whether your system is leaking DNS requests or not. Fortunately, checking the DNS leak is very easy and you can do it in just a few steps. So let's get started. First, open your web browser. You can use any browser such as Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge or Mozilla Firefox. Now go to a DNS leak website and DNS leak testing websites such as dnsleaktest.com. On the website, click on the standard test or extended test. The website will now run a test to detect the DNS servers being used by your system. This process may take a few seconds. Once the test is completed, you will see the DNS servers that are resolving your internet requests. If the DNS servers shown belong to your VPN provider or the DNS service you configured, then there is no DNS leak. However, if the results show your internet service providers DNS servers, it means your system may have a DNS leak. In that case, you may need to check your VPN settings, DNS configuration or network adapter settings. That's it. This is how you can check DNS leak in Windows 11 or Windows 10. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.